When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write us to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we received such amazing reviews. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.